Hello, in this video we will examine how to study a particular subject in Khan Academy and how to engage in a mission. For us, we will start with algebra. Within algebra there are several classes. We'll scroll down and begin with Algebra Basics. Notice that there are 3 different ways to study this subject. You can explore the subject. This will give you access to videos and tutorials so that you can review these concepts. You can also practice exercises. This is a great way to learn the material, and exercises are denoted with a star. I recommend a mission, and the reason I recommend a mission is that it combines both the tutorials and the practice exercises in a customized learning format. When you begin a mission, you will be asked to complete a diagnostic test. Let's do that now. For each question that you are asked, you should enter the answer to the best of your knowledge. When you've entered your answer, go to the right-hand side of the screen and click Check Answer. Then click again to go to the next question. If you encounter an exercise that you don't know how to do, you can simply say, "I haven't learned this yet," and click on that button. If you get a question that you're a little bit unsure about and you'd like to get a hint, you can click on "I'd like a hint." There are several hints available for each question, and you can keep clicking through the hints until you've exhausted all the hints and the system gives you the answer. Make sure you type that answer in to move on to the next question. Let's pretend we know this question. So this is 1 times 2 plus 10. That would give us 12. Here we could solve for t. And lastly, we could find 1/6 to the -1 power, which is 6. At this point, Khan Academy totals up energy points that we've earned. You don't have to worry about that, but what is important is to notice where progress was made and where we still need to practice. Let's close this screen. Based on the results, Khan Academy will suggest some topics that we should study next. You're welcome to work according to the order suggested by the program. This is an adaptive learning program, and so it will make pretty good suggestions to you. On the other hand, you might be interested in targeting your efforts on particular topics. For example, foundations. You might want to click on a gray box and view the topic, such as negative numbers on the number line, or you might want to highlight a different topic, such as converting fractions to decimals, and you might want to work on that particular skill. If you want to do that, click on the gray box. Along the right-hand side of the screen, you will see that you've added that topic, and then you can click on that to practice. This will then guide you through a series of exercises. Each time that you engage in one of these gray boxes, you will be able to show that you've practiced it, and over time, your goal is to show that you've moved up to level 1, level 2, and ultimately that you've mastered your skills. When you log into Khan Academy on the next day or the next week, you will see the home screen, and on your home screen you can click on the Algebra Basics course to pick up where you left off. Over time, your goal is to get all of these gray boxes shaded in some color of blue, and the ultimate goal is to get up to the mastered level. And you can see I've done that here for the first box. Some of these other boxes are just at the practice level. This one over here is at level 1. And so I can keep practicing these skills. I can take mastery challenges. I can watch videos. I can do lots of different things to eventually fill up this whole first line here with a nice bright blue color indicating that we've mastered those concepts.